In this video, I will demonstrate you like how you can sync your Radicale server calendar with your Odoo's calendar using our module CalDAV Sync. So what I have done is I have gone to the module that is CalDAV Sync and created one account named as Radicale. There I have selected the server type as Radicale, and I have added the calendar URL, that is my Radicale's calendar URL. Then I need to set the username and the password provided from the Radicale. After then, the sync direction is bidirectional, so you can update the events from Odoo to Radicale and Radicale to Odoo's calendar. Then the same thing, like you can create the contacts over here in the database if the attendees are new in your events in your Radicale calendar. You can also send the invitation emails automatically if this option is enabled. Now I will click on test connection. So once done, you will see the notification like the connection is successfully tested. Now if you go to your Radicale calendar, and there in the month of, let's say, August, on 3rd of August, I am creating one new event. And it is not a recurring event, and I'm setting the time as 3 to 4 p.m. and I'm adding the attendees. I'm adding the attendees, and then I'm clicking on save and close. So the event is created over here in my Radicale calendar. Now I will go to my CalDAV sync module and click on sync now. So here you can see the sync is successfully completed. Now if you go to your Odoo's calendar, go to the month of August. So here you will be able to see the same event has been synced over here with the invitee, that is the attendee as well. And now if I edit this event from here, like I'm editing the name of the event, then I'm editing the time, like from 6 to 7, apply. Also I'm making it a recurring event, number of repetitions would be 4, and then I'm saving it. So I have made some certain changes, like I have changed the time of this event, and I have changed it to a recurring event from a single event. Now if I go to my CalDAV sync module, open the account and click on sync now. So you can see the sync is successfully completed. Now I will go to my Radicale calendar, and if I refresh the page, so here you can see the event has been edited, the time has changed to 6 p.m. Also the name of the event has been changed from just birthday celebration to birthday celebration of my friend. Also, it has become a recurring event, like it has been repeated 4 times, as we have set the occurrences over there as 4. Now if I again go back to my Odoo's calendar, open the calendar in the month of August, and I delete this event from here. I'm deleting this one as well. And the last one also I'm deleting it from here. Now if I go to my Radicale calendar, refresh it, so you can see from here also the events are being deleted automatically. And if you go to the contacts, let me install the contact module. If I open the contacts module and search for the contact, then the contact of the attendee added over there in the Radicals event will be created over here automatically. Also, if you go to the account of this Radical created in the CalDAV sync, you can see the sync logs over here, like how many logs were successful, or which of the processes were being failed. So yes, this was something related to the configuration, or how you can sync your Radical calendar events to your Odoo's calendar using our module CalDAV sync. Thank you.